During dinner, we found out our translator had gotten in a motorcycle accident. Because of this accident, he had one leg shorter than the other and he had a steel plate in his leg.
That's a screw?
Yes.
Okay, can you feel the screws?
Yes.
Okay, so you can feel the screws. Come on.
In Jesus, thank you for metal dissolving.
Okay, check. Check and see if you can feel the metal. Can you feel it? Yeah, I get it. How many years? 7 years.
So we started running through the food court to test it out. This drew a lot of attention, and it became a perfect opportunity to share what Jesus had just done.
Ó, pode ficar tranquilo que eu não vou pedir dinheiro pra ninguém não. Só vou dar um testemunho do que acabou de acontecer comigo ali. Eu tive um acidente de moto, fiquei 7 anos fazendo uma cirurgia e minha perna ficou menor que a outra. Eu usava uma palmilha como essa na perna. Aí esse pessoal chegou lá e perguntou se